Back to our second problem. In this problem, we will find customer referee. We will be solving for customer table. So in this problem, we are given a customer table over here, and the column names are ID with the type of integer, name with the type of varchar, reference ID with the type of integer. So in SQL, ID is the primary key of the column for this table. Each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their names, and ID of the customer who referred them. The problem is to find the names of the customer that are not referred by the customer with ID 2. Result table in any order, so we can return the result in any order. Result format is as follows. Given an example over here. Customer table has ID over here, the name and the reference ID. ID 1 name is William and it's not referred by anyone, so it's null. ID 3 is Alex and it's referred by 2. Any value that's not referred by ID 2, we have to return that. So in this case, it will be reference ID 1 and all the nulls value over here. We will get 1, 2, 3, 4. Four names over here, and sure enough, in the output, we have the 4 names. So let's go ahead and write solution for this one. So the simple strategy I'm going to focus on is using the where clause, where we will filter by a reference ID is not 2, and also the reference ID is null. So let's go ahead and write that. So we are given customer table. So what the columns we have to return is the name column. Over here, find the names. It's only the names. So select name, okay, from, and the table from customer, and we are going to write where referee ID is not equals to 2 or referee ID is null. Let's run this. And sure enough, our solution ran in 177 milliseconds. Now let's submit this. And our solution ran in 819 milliseconds. So let's go ahead and see some of the other popular solutions over here. So they also did select name from customer where referee ID is not 2 or referee ID is null. Let's look at this one. Okay, referee ID is null or referee ID is less than or equal greater than 2. So that's a comparison operator. It means not equals to 2. And the other solutions, almost the similar solutions. Thank you for watching this problem. I'll see you in next problem.